Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to view the Timeslot history. The Timeslot history function enables the user to track the changes and activity that took place on a certain time slot on the diary. On the main diary screen, hover over a time slot on the left hand side. A clock icon will appear. Click on the clock icon. The diary time slot history screen for the specific time will open. All changes that have been made on the time slot will be available to be viewed, including bookings that have been made, edited bookings, as well as deleted bookings. Each booking will have its own history and booking number. On the diary time slot history screen, the time slot information will be divided into the following columns. Date and time, which is the date and timestamp that indicates when changes were made to the time slot. Action is what happened on the time slot, for example. Insert, the first time a booking was added to a specific time slot. Update, any changes that have been made to the booking. User is the person who has a login name and user details to open the GoodX web app. The username will display with the name of whoever made the changes whilst logged in at that specific time. Time is the time slot on the diary where the changes took place. Debtor is the person who is responsible for the account. Patient is the patient's details that were booked for this appointment on the time slot. Deleted will be one of two possible values, false or true. If it's true, the appointment was deleted. If it's false, the appointment is still booked. When the user ticks the checkbox next to the show only divs, only the differences that were made on the booking will show and not all the details. Click on the Close button to return to the main diary screen.